Kiumia kimwe thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Laikipia gufuta wira urigitani aria maragomete, riu ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ni rutumite ataramu atandatu ugima wa mwiri thibitari-ini ciothe nene kauntiini ino. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa ugima wa mwiri kauntiini ino Laikipia, Mihang'o ya urigitani ni icokereire thibitari-ini ciothe, na uguo muingi no wamukire urigitani thibitari-ini ciothe.
We have seen a tremendous improvement in the numbers and in the various delivery points, both in the outpatient and in the inpatient.
Akiaria thibitari-ini ya Nanyuki, Kamario augite kwa ihinda riri makiria ma arwaru 400 ni maratungatirwo muthenya kuria ninge kuri na arigitani angi a kwirutira.
The X-ray department is seeing 30 patients per day on average. Emergency department 20 patients per day on average.
Mwena-ini wake Governor Derito Murithia augite ni meharirie kwamukira arigitani aria marafutitwo angikorwo ni makuria wira weru guku akiuga Mihang'o ya wandiki no irathie na mbere.
As an organization, we are responsive to their needs and will continue to do our utmost best to ensure that as a team we are delivering the services required of us at the various points.
Na kwa kauntiini ya Kirinyaga, kiama kia urigitani kia KMPDU ni kiugite ni giguthita thirikari ya Governor Anne iguru kuri kiama kia aruti wira thiini wa thi nikio ILO ni undu wa kwagarara ihoto cia aruti wira. Makiaria mari kauntiini ya Kirinyaga, amemba kiama giki ni maugire thirikari ya kaunti ndikoretwo ikirumbuia aruti wira kuringana na ikiro iria cigitwo.
We need to have all healthcare workers managed by one body, one central body, composed of experts, composed of specialists, composed of human resource people who understand the issues of human resource and issues of labor.
Ni mongereire kuga ati Mihang'o ya urigitani ndiriracokerera thibitari-ini itiganite na andu marathie na mbere na kugirika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Nyawira wa Kimutho.